Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my fall FABFITFUN box. I have been getting this for, I was trying to remember. I got it a few years ago and then I quit, and I want to say, I know I got the spring and summer box, but I can't remember if I got the winter box. So it's either been a year or almost a year since I've been receiving this again. I really like it. I don't know how much I would recommend it, being that it's $50, I'm sorry, $50, and I'm trying really hard to use most of the things that I get in this box, and that's kind of what is making it more worth it. But where before I would receive these subscription boxes, put the stuff away and never see it or talk about it or use it again. And I'm really trying hard to use the products. But a lot of the times, I think especially with this box, I either don't need what I receive, don't like what I receive, or, I would just pick different things for myself. And I'll explain that as I go throughout this video. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep this subscription. I definitely want to do at least one more to see how I feel. I do get the seasonal, so I don't pay ahead of time. I pay as it goes because I'm not sure why I picked that, but that's what I did. So let's just get to opening this. I know most of you guys have seen what's been in this box, and everyone kind of got, I guess they actually customize it a lot more than they used to, because I want to say when I was looking in their little magazine that comes with, I want to say that only 3 products were in everybody's box, and those 3 things are the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So is this a leave-in? I'm not sure if this is a leave-in. Let me look. It does retail, I can't think of the word, for $30. It says, I think it's just a leave-in treatment. Shake well, or a small amount of product in hands, apply through damp hair and comb. Do not rinse. So yeah, it's kind of a leave-in conditioner. I do like Aveda. Did I say Aveeno? I meant Aveda. I do like Aveda products. I feel like they're a little expensive. I don't know. I guess I've never used one that's been amazing. They've been great, but not like mind-blowing. And I'll definitely use this, but this is like something that I'm saying that I would rather just go out and purchase my favorite leave-in conditioner or treatment. So that's kind of where I'm struggling with this box. I feel like I get stuff that I will use, and I may love this, and you just don't know it. And that's kind of the purpose of subscription boxes, is that you get products that you would not buy or haven't heard of. You try them, you love them, and you buy them. And I have done that probably, I would say probably 40% of what I receive in subscription boxes, I either love enough to buy again, or in 60%, I either liked it but didn't want to buy it again, or whatever, didn't like it at all. So it definitely gets, these companies definitely get service from me from these boxes. But I guess that's kind of where I'm just struggling with. If I had gone to the store and picked a conditioner, I wouldn't have picked this one. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't know if I would just do a better job picking my own stuff. But you are getting a deal. I don't know. I'm really struggling with this box right now, just because that I hate everything in it. I just don't know. I don't know. So this, I do think, is a good win. Definitely on the win side. Maybe I'll keep a little tally mark going. But I would say definitely a win for that product. And every box received that. Along with every box received this Human Plus Kind, or Humankind skincare with a conscience body souffle. I don't know what scent it is. It's $18, and this is the product that I was more referring to. Not that I'm totally picky with body lotions, but I would have picked something different. A lot of the times these don't really even smell that good. At least, I don't know. I've received quite a few that don't. Let's see. Let's see if it's a thick cream. It's definitely not thick. Ooh, I do like the smell. Okay, so I'm going back on my words because I do like the smell of this. I think I've just received some really bad body lotions that smell absolutely horrible, and this definitely isn't one. So this is definitely on the win side. So I would say yes, but every box got that. And the last product that every box got was the Juice Cleanse Harper Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. And I actually use sugar cubes all the time. I have a jar of ones that I've bought at Target that I love. And yeah, so again, not that I love this type of product. I would have rather preferred like bath bombs, or I don't know. I don't want to sound picky because I do like the smell of this. It smells really, really good. And the Veda hair, I'm sure I'll love. And again, I'll use these, so it's definitely not a waste. I would just rather get bubble bath or a bath bomb or something to that effect if I had to pick a bath product or a shower product, but I'm sure these are good. Ooh, they smell amazing. What is that smell? I don't know what that smell is, but oh, that smells really good. So I did catch one of my kids trying to eat one of these. So my kids are like scavengers. If I leave anything around, it will be taken, eaten, whatever. And I think they were in my bathroom and they saw the jar that I have. They're pink and there's no wording on it. I think it came in a pack or something. I don't know why, but the jar has nothing on it. So my kids thought I must have had some candy, like that I eat candy by the bath, I guess. I don't know. And so they took one out and took a bite of it, and like a little bite, and left the piece, and they obviously spit it out on my counter. To this day, I don't know which kid did it. No one will admit to it, but one of them tried to eat one, and that is gross and funny. So, and this retails for $16. So there's 30, 40, 50, 60, over 60 bucks. So definitely those three products alone paid for the box. And luckily this is on the win side too, that I will use all three of those products. Definitely will get use from me. So that is already a great deal. All right, let's go through the ones that I picked. Okay. The first product that I picked was this plush scarf. You could pick between this, let's see, the scarf, a yoga mat, a hair straightener, and a whitening teeth kit. This, I don't use scarves. I actually don't use them ever. And the only, oh, here's the little thingies. The only reason I picked this is because I already have a teeth whitening set that I like and use. I have very sensitive teeth, so I wasn't even interested in that. And then the yoga mat, I already have one, so wasn't interested in that. I don't straighten my hair, but I already have one, so I wasn't interested in that. Is that all the three things? Yes. So that just left this, which is why I chose this. And this, I'll probably either regift this to most likely my mom. She likes navy because it's kind of a navy and black. It's like navy, black, gray. Anyways, or my girls will use it. But then I'll just find it all over the house and it'll irritate me. So I probably will give this to my mother. But that's the only reason I chose this. This value is at $75. I don't know about that. I mean, it is very, very soft, but $75, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, the next product you could get was either the Kate Spade Lunch Tote, detoxifying face pads, a wallet, or a cheese board. The cheese board didn't even tempt me, and the detox pads didn't tempt me. I don't know if I realized what the wallet was, because I think I would have rather have gotten the wallet. I got the Kate Spade bag, which I'm actually, it says it's a lunch tote. Let's see. I mean, it's definitely super, super cute. I would probably use it more as a like daily makeup maybe. I mean, I don't think that's big enough for a lunch box. I mean, if you're bringing like no waste Tupperware stuff, I don't know if this would be big enough, but Anyways, very cute. Really like it. It says out to lunch. Super, super cute. I'm happy I got this. I'm wondering, like I said, if I would have picked the wallet had I realized it, or maybe I couldn't have picked the wallet, because I just feel like I would have picked that over this. But I don't know. Maybe I was thinking this was a makeup bag. And obviously I love anything with makeup. So this retails for $30. And okay, so there's no way. Tell me if you pay 75 bucks for a scarf. Maybe I have too many children that just seems crazy. All right. That's like a whole month dermatology, or that too, but that's like an orthodontist payment for braces. Like I guess that's how I think is, yeah, my husband would go nuts. All right, the next product you could get was between a mask, a vitamin C type treatment, and a earrings. I didn't pick the earrings. The vitamin C treatment, I'm thinking I should have picked that, but I actually ended up picking the cleanser, scrub, and mask. Mostly, I think, is I had just ran out of my exfoliator soap, and so I think I was thinking, oh good, I don't have to go out and buy one, this will work. And it looks really interesting. I mean, it's kind of a coral type color, and this actually retails for 32 bucks. So quite a good deal. It is a small container, but I'm sure this will be good, and I'm not picky about cleansers for my face. So, oh my gosh, my feet are falling asleep. Okay, I'm not picky about cleansers, so I'm really happy with that. So far, the only thing I would say, I guess I stopped taking a tally, would be the scarf, would be like the, everything else I'm very pleased and happy with. All right, the next products you could choose was from a salt and pepper meal, I think it's electronic, a hair towel, Tresik mini eye essentials, and a Skin Evolve body boost gel, which I don't think I really knew what that was. Didn't want the salt and pepper shaker, and I don't really like Tresemme or Tresik, whatever, makeup. So I actually picked the hair towel, and I'm super excited about this. I do already have one, but I feel like I could always use another one, whether this stays for traveling, which it won't, but just to go back and forth while one's maybe in the wash or whatever, I can use this one, or I could even pass this on to my girls. I just was really excited about getting this. This did not have a high value. It was only 18. Not as high of a value as the rest, but I was no question in my mind I was gonna pick this. I knew that going into it. Then the last thing you could pick was between an aromatherapy roller ball, eye masks, and a toner. I already mentioned in my Allure box unboxing how I feel about eye masks, so I wasn't gonna pick that. The face toner, I'm wondering if I would have picked that and just didn't, I don't know. I love aromatherapy stuff, so I picked that, the roller ball, and it's supposed to be a relaxing with chamomile, sandalwood, and vetiver. I don't know how to say it. So I wanted this because I thought it sounded nice. It definitely is very aromatherapy smell. I would almost, okay, maybe that's a sandalwood that I'm smelling, because I love the smell of the V word or whatever, and chamomile. So this must be sandalwood that it's kind of overpowering, because it's very earthy with like a dirt, sounds so bad, like a dirt undertone. So it must be sandalwood. I don't know, I will use it. I like to use these things on my temples if I am stressed or trying to relax and having a hard time. It's kind of how I also use lavender. I'll even put it under my children's nose, lavender, and on their bottom of their feet and their sides of their foreheads, and it totally calms them down. They're not young enough that it will like put them to sleep like it would a younger child, but I can definitely see, especially with my youngest, because he is out of control. He's a very wild, active boy. And if he's kind of going crazy, like if we're on a car trip, I can do that. It will totally like, he'll almost be like in a meditation. It's kind of funny. But this, I can see something like this working for him as well. It's just supposed to be relaxing. Luckily, he doesn't have sensitive skin. And I think most of my kids, and my husband definitely doesn't. He has like alligator skin. Nothing ruins his skin or nothing irritates his skin. I think I only have one daughter and one son that have very sensitive skin like me. And the rest of my kids are pretty much like my husband, can use whatever. So I'll definitely use this with them. You could also put it behind your ears. I know that helps. I have a mixture that someone made me when I was in the hospital. That was for anxiety, because I get anxiety really bad even before the hospital, but once I was in there, I also wasn't taking my medication at the time, and so my anxiety was like at a high, especially with everything else going on, that she gave that to me, and it really was very calming. I'm not all about like this will heal cancer like some people are. I just feel like we have modern medicine, you should use it, but I definitely think these things can supplement that. Like I said, if I could use just this and not be on anxiety medicine, I don't know what that was. I mean, that would obviously be better for me, but I definitely think these are supplemental to modern day medicine. But instead of taking, let's say, a Tylenol for a headache, rubbing peppermint oil on my forehead, which definitely works, is obviously better for me than taking extra medicine. So, like I said, I'm not a total like aromatherapy. What is the word? I just have people in my life that I can think of that they like live by aromatherapy, and they think it probably kills everything too. But I'm not one of those. But I definitely wanted to try this. That was a long explanation for this. So this is $29 in price. Definitely worth the money. I am very excited. So I feel like out of all the products, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 products, 7 of them are wins. One of them will be a regift. So I guess that's kind of a win. It'll probably just go in her birthday gift that I get or something, just to add in, or Christmas maybe. But that is my FABFITFUN for the fall box. I did read on there that people weren't totally excited about this box because it wasn't fall-like, and I definitely agree. Nothing in this box is fall except for the scarf. But like you said, most people could have picked other products, so they wouldn't have even gotten the one item that is geared towards fall type weather or season. I mean, even this smells very summery. I mean, very, very summery, which is not a bad thing. It's just not fall. So I know a lot of people didn't want to get this box because it wasn't fall related. It is what it is. I am actually happy this month. I think it's a great box. Not sure I would totally recommend it at this point. I'm trying to do better about keeping track of the products in each month and reporting the next time how or if or what I actually use. I know I had mentioned in either my Allure Beauty unboxing or my Sephora unboxing whether I was going to, or that I was going to keep track of the month and then compare it. The next month, I'll go mini reviews of the stuff that I actually use, what I liked, what I didn't like, to see if in the end the box was worth it for that month. And maybe that will help me decide on what subscription boxes to actually keep doing and what to kind of let go. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next video.